And sometimes we put you up here too, right, Sophia? It's nice to sit up here, right? Mommy and Sophia sit up here and we show the baby how to clap. You want to sit up here?
Daddy.
Oh, or Sophia. How about Sophia sits up here?
Sit.
Daddy?
Sit.
You gonna show the baby how to clap, Sophia?
Yeah.
Yay, Daddy! Yay, we're showing the baby. Clap. Yeah, good
Clap, baby.
Yeah, clap, clap. Good try. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Good job. That's enough. Yeah, you have to be gentle with the baby, right?
Baby.
Yeah, the baby's learning. It's hard to do it for the baby.
Yeah.
But you're nice to show the baby. That's a good big sister. Yeah. Cutie. You talking to Mommy? Thank you. Can you give Mommy a big smile? Big smile, please. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hello. I'm gonna go find your sister. She's saying Halloween. I don't know where she went. I'll be back. Okay. Oh. And she got quiet. So Mommy's gonna go look. Daddy's still there.